Running away is easy. It's the
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's the way every day goes.
And hi everyone, so today I will explain to you about this one topic. Basically, it was chapter 3 and it called compound interest. This is the same as simple interest because we use different method and also formula. First and foremost, compound interest is a deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and accumulated interest from previous period. It's like principal increase from time to time. Now I will show you guys the formula. Use this formula to find future value and also accumulated value. And I stand for K per M and also N stands for MT. We have annual nominal rate, which is K in percent, and also frequency of conversion, which is M. You can refer this before you solve the question. One, which is part A, we must calculate the population in 2006. This we have found K equal 2.2% and M equal 1 because it says annually. And also P we have 120,000 and P equals 6 because 2006 minus 2000. So using this formula, we will get the answer 144,964 people. Number 2, we have to calculate the population in 2013. So if we want to quantity, we have to calculate the years first, which is 2013 minus 2006, which is 7 years. So K equal 4.5% and also M equal 2 because it says semi-annually. So using the formula, we will get the answer is 197,946 people. And we have to find the total percentage increase in population from 2000 to 2013. So more people in 2013 minus more people in 2000. So you will get the answer 77,946 people. That's the amount of people who increase. So we have to divide by more people in 2000, which is we will get this point, and you have to change it into percentage, which is we have to times 100%, and you will get like 64.96%.
For an AA bank, the information is P equal to 16,000, K equal to 0.043, M equal to 4, T equal to 9 year. After that, just substitute all the information into the formula and got the final answer is RM 88,171 ringgit and 10 cent. Same goes to MSI Bank. We can just use the same way that we use for NAA Bank and gonna get the final answer is 89,033 ringgit and 43 cent. For B, Fahmi need to choose NAA Bank because the repayment amount is lower compared to MSI Bank. For question 3, we need to find the value of x. We're gonna use the same formula as we used at question 2, but this time we need to find p in the formula instead of s. After that, just substitute all the information into the formula and doing some algebra and gonna get the final answer, which is p is RM 75,000 ringgit. An annuity is a series of equal payments made at a regular interval, such as every month, every 3 months, or every year. This payment can be money paid to you or money you pay to someone else. Annuities are commonly used in situations like loan, repayment, insurance plans, and saving investment, where the same amount is paid or received repeatedly over a fixed period. There is two formulas for annuity. S, the amount of annuity at the end of investment. A, present value of annuity. R, periodic payment. T, years. I, amount of interest. N, number of interest. Small I is interest rate per interest period. N stands for K over M. K means annual interest rate. M means compounding periods. For part B question 1A, the question said if she want to buy the Fender Sunshine leather bag within 4 years, how much will her deposit be? To solve this question, we're gonna use the S formula and you guys just need to write down the formula. After that, identify all the information have been given and substitute all the information into the formula. Last step, you guys can calculate it manually or using shift solve method. we're gonna get the answer, which is R equal to Rm 545 ringgit and 72 cents. For question B, the question said that how much money that she have after 5 years in her saving account, will she be able to buy the bag by that time? First step is you guys just need to write down the formula. Second is identify all the information. Third is substitute all the information into the formula, but this time there is some changes where the T stand for time in years are changed from 4 to 5 years based on the question. Last step is we just need to calculate it manually or using shift solve method and gonna get the final answer, which is SRM 40,663 ringgit and 70 cents. We can conclude that she unable to buy the bag because lacking Rm 2,136 ringgit 30 cents.
For step 1, we need to times 30% from her earnings to know her savings, and we will get the answer 240 ringgit. After that, we need to minus the total earnings with the total saving to know the balance. The balance would be 560 ringgit. For step 2, we need to find the processing fee and the total price. The processing fee for 6-month plan, we need to multiply 9% with the original price of the laptop. The answer would be 242 ringgit and 10 cents. While for 12-month plans, the answer will be 484 ringgit and 20 cents. To find the amount of A, we need to plus the original laptop price with our processing fee. The answer for 6-month plan will be 2,932 ringgit and 10 cents, and for 12-month plan is 3,174 ringgit and 20 cents. In this part, we need to find the R, which is their monthly payment. We can use this formula, which is A equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus K over M, the power of negative MT over K per M. For 6-month plan, substitute the A we had calculated in step 2 and the rest of the formula. Then, the answer would be 491 ringgit and 52 cents. Same goes to the 12-month plan. The answer would be 266 ringgit and 67 cents. After calculating the R, we have to differentiate the R given from the Labubu store with our R. What we need to do is the monthly payment from the Labubu store minus with our monthly payment. Here we can see that they had a little bit of scam, which is for 6-month plan, the total is 2 ringgit and 48 cents, and the 12-month plan is the total is 1 ringgit and 33 cents. Due to rising concern about the online scam, Labubu store earns a bit more profit if we compare it to the original monthly payment plan. The more reasonable option for her to choose is 12-month plan. This is because the monthly payment is lower to compare with the 6-month plan, as well as her monthly earnings. That's all for question 2 part B.